close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Hey there guys, this is Vinay here once again, and what you see in front of you is a customized Baleno on a budget which has been done by me and my Nexa team at Shivam. So let's get started. To start off with, I have opted for the red and black combination, which looks good, and I have added this bumper corner protector which is in black color, along with the body kit and the front sensors which you see right here. Now these front sensors will help you park your car in that tight spot a little bit better. Also on the front, I have added a pair of daytime running lights which help as a warning light when you're driving on the highway or you're touring between the states. Moving along to the side of the vehicle, I have added these black wheel caps which in person looks like alloy wheels, and a pair of door moldings. So by installing black wheel caps, you really get that effect of alloy wheels. So there is another cost saver right there. At the back, I have added this thick upper chrome spoiler that you see with the Baleno emblem, a chrome strip, reverse parking camera along with reverse parking sensors. On the top, I have removed the conventional antenna and added the shark fin spoiler coupled with an internal antenna. In the interior, I have added blue neon lights, which is my signature, and I use it in almost every build, coupled with this comfy leather seats. Now these are feel leather seats, so the portion that touches your body is only leather, the rest is pure leather. So these are not that cost effective, but I thought that you are going to spend most of your time on those, so why not get a comfortable seat. On the doors, I have added these wooden accents along with the center console, and also I have added this 712BT Sony music system which offers you mirror link, and this is a motorized unit and I feel it looks kind of cool, so I thought why not put in some entertainment. So this was my idea of customizing the Baleno without voiding the warranty of the vehicle and on a budget. So if you like the video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. If you didn't like it, please vote it down. But either ways, do subscribe to my channel. Also, please make a note that the prices of these accessories and customization might vary from dealer to dealer depending upon the area which they fall in, as 2% CST or some other government body tax might be applicable to them. This is Vinay Kapoor here, signing off. Take care. God bless.